Being a railcar equipment leader is about more than developing effective components. Midland offers one of the best remanufacturing and repair programs designed to service and prolong the life of your railcar valves. One of the reasons to use Midland's repair service is we have the ability to machine some of our components. A lot of times they'd be scrapped if you pay attention to our IOMs. However, with our ability to be able to machine those components, we're able to reuse them and put them back to service in as good a shape. Midland Manufacturing has been in business for over 70 years. Let us use our experience to help you in your valves. Connect with your Midland Manufacturing representative for more information on the remanufacturing and repair service we provide.